Lord, your goodness never fails. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Thursday and ayun, maaraw na masyado dito sa it's past 6 in the morning and yes, ayan, as you can see sa video, ano na yung sinag ng araw. And yes, your goodness, Lord, never fails me. So indeed, given this another day, another life, diba? And hindi lang sa araw na to, even sa mga past natin na mga pinagdaanan, past day, past week, past month, parang dami-dami natin mga challenges na nangyari, but here we are. If you're watching this video now on the other side of the screen, knowing the fact na you have this moment to see me, ibig sabihin parang na-overcome mo yung mga challenges na yun. And yes, we are given a lot of an overflow of blessings. Yun pa lang, di ba, na nakakanood ka sa akin. And to live again another day. And of course, hindi naman laging happy and masaya lagi, diba? May mga moments talagang lungkot tayo, may mga challenges, but ganun talaga ang buhay. Kung meron kang tiwala at paniniwala na kung may pinagdadaanan ka man, siguro this has something to do with parang gusto lang siyang bigyan ka lang ng lesson or bigyan ka ng time para isipin na baka yung challenge na yan is to teach you something or para may matutunan ka, or it's a wake up call, ganon, to make better, be better. Basta ang mahalaga maganda man yan ang nangyayari or hindi maganda, what's more important is magpatuloy, magtiwala, maniwala, and manalangin, diba, na andyan yung Diyos lagi sa atin. And I'm sure andyan naman siya lagi. Minsan lang yung mga times na nakakalimutan natin siya, but parang every day of our life we've been given a lot of blessings and overflowing blessings. So ayun lang, Lord, thank you for everything. Happy Thursday, Annyeong Mama.